Alex stared at his phone again. Another video, another business idea. Another person saying, "This is the easiest way to make money online. Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, print on demand, digital products." Every day it felt like there was something new. And every time Alex tried to pick one, he felt stuck. What if he chose the wrong one? What if the market was already saturated? What if he wasted weeks again, and nothing happened? He leaned back in his chair, frustrated. It wasn't that Alex didn't want to work. He was ready to put in the effort. But the hardest part was knowing what to work on. And that's when he saw something simple in a comment section. Someone wrote, "Why not use AI to find business ideas?" Alex paused. He had seen people talk about AI before, but mostly for writing or generating images. Using AI to generate business ideas? That sounded different. So Alex opened his phone and typed into an AI chat, "Give me business ideas I can start with no money." Within seconds, ideas started appearing. Faceless YouTube channels, affiliate marketing with Pinterest, selling digital templates, AI content services, newsletter businesses. Alex blinked. This was more ideas than he had seen in weeks of scrolling, but something still bothered him. Ideas alone weren't enough. He had tried ideas before. So Alex typed again, "Give me business ideas that are beginner-friendly and focused on marketing skills." This time, the response felt more specific. Content creation for affiliate marketing, digital product promotion, email list building, AI-assisted content marketing. Now Alex leaned forward. This felt different. These weren't just random ideas, they were ideas built around learning marketing. And Alex had started realizing something important. Marketing was the skill behind almost every online business. If he learned marketing, he wouldn't need to keep starting over. So Alex typed again, "Which of these ideas has low competition but growing demand?" The AI analyzed and suggested faceless educational content, AI-powered digital products, affiliate marketing through storytelling. Alex's mind started connecting dots. He didn't need to guess anymore. He didn't need to scroll endlessly. He could ask smarter questions. And that's when Alex changed his approach completely. Instead of searching randomly, he started using AI like a business partner. Every day he asked, "What problems are beginners facing in marketing? What content ideas solve these problems? What platforms are best for this?" And something interesting happened. The more Alex asked, the clearer his path became. He wasn't overwhelmed anymore. He wasn't jumping between ideas. He was narrowing down. Then one day, Alex asked a simple question. "What is a simple business idea where I can learn marketing while helping beginners?" The answer came quickly. "Create simple storytelling content teaching marketing lessons." Alex paused. That sounded exactly like something he could do. Simple stories, simple lessons, marketing skills. No complicated setup, no expensive tools, just learning and creating. For the first time in a long time, Alex felt calm because he wasn't chasing random ideas anymore. He was building something intentionally and quietly. Alex realized something important. AI didn't just give him ideas, it helped him think better. It helped him ask smarter questions. It helped him avoid wasting time. It helped him move forward faster. Most people struggle not because there are no opportunities, but because they don't know where to look. Alex had spent weeks scrolling, but in one focused session, AI helped him find direction. If you're feeling stuck, if you don't know what business to start, if you feel overwhelmed by too many options, you're not alone. Sometimes you don't need more motivation. You just need better clarity. And sometimes, one smart question can change your entire direction.